guys, I'm Ting. I'm currently a J1 student. I was previously the General Secretary of the 46 High School Council and also the captain of the water polo team. And apart from that, I was also the core member of a service learning project called Project Educar.
Everyone, my name is Kai Jie and I'm in secondary 4 this year, and I'm also the captain of the track and field team.
Hello, I'm Seamus Kelly Yi. I'm in secondary 4 in the humanities program in Hwa Chong. My CCA is softball.
I'm Javen Suki from 4H1, which is our school's humanities program. In 2018 and 2019, I was part of the Authors Council. I served as the head of publicity for the council, and now I'm the president of the 47 Students' Council.
I'm Leong Guang Shian from class 4S3. I'm in Hwa Chong's Science and Math Talent program, and I'm also part of the exco of my CCA, which is Chinese drama. I'm a playwright and a director. Hwa Chong, you are given a lot of opportunities to give back to the community, and most of these opportunities are all student-led. So for example, there's a community engagement program which encourages students to take initiative to come up with projects to serve the community.
Hwa Chong provides many opportunities for everyone to grow and nurture as a leader, be it in the class management committee, student council, CCA, or other various roles. Personally, I've been in the class management committee for 2 years and have held various other small leadership roles.
Well, I think that an interesting feature about Hwa Chong is that we are given a lot of autonomy when it comes to organising and running our events. So we as councillors are often tasked to run different events. So it ranges from things like the National School Games, our track and field finals, even down to things such as mathematics Olympiads for primary school students. I think that despite the scale and the size of some of these events, an interesting feature is that they're largely run by our students. So our teachers do come in occasionally to help us with some admin matters such as the booking of our venues and settling some of our event dates. But beyond that, the event is by and large run by students.
My most memorable experience was those in secondary 3. So my first one was the Hwa Chong 100 Centennial Musical Production, where we actually worked with JC Chinese drama and our own Chinese drama together with like music and dance, and numerous CCAs collaborated to come up with this amazing performance. And what it really meant to me was that numerous batches of 6 batches of Hwa Chong students were actually putting all their effort for one show, 4 shows actually, over for 3 days, in order for the audience to see what Hwa Chong really meant, the whole history of Hwa Chong. And throughout this show, I actually felt a sense of unity among the batches. And I realized that Hwa Chong was more than one batch, more than just a class. It's actually more of a family where different batches of students actually care and take care of one another throughout the show. And in Hwa Chong also, as one big family, you can be rest assured that when you come to Hwa Chong, all your seniors will actually take care of you and make sure that you grow up to be a Hwa Chong gentleman as well.
The Hwa Chong spirit to me is actually one that unites everyone like a big family.
It's the sense of camaraderie and the sense of how we always help each other in times of difficulty.
To me, the Hwa Chong spirit is about daring to try new things and challenging yourself.
To me, I think that the Hwa Chong spirit can't really be expressed with words, but rather is this feeling of warmth and a sense of belonging towards the school. So everyone here, regardless of what background we come from, we're all part of this huge Hwa Chong family, and I think that's what the Hwa Chong spirit really is.
For me, because I was in the water polo team and we managed to get into a final, so it was very heartening to have the support of our fellow schoolmates, classmates, batchmates who like actually came down and then like cheer us on, because it really did mean a lot to us and it really did provide us with that like extra motivation that we needed. So without them, I really don't think we would have been able to capture the championship.
Well, I would say try anything and everything that you like. When you're in Hwa Chong, you'll definitely never be short of opportunities to challenge and push yourself. But the thing is that you do need to actively seize these opportunities, right? If you don't take the initiative to apply for things, to try for new things, then these opportunities and these chances won't magically land at your doorstep.
So my greatest takeaway would be actually to embrace the interested spirit. So as I mentioned earlier just now, I actually did embark on a service learning project called Project Educar. And from there, it was from there that I actually learned that the best way to actually gain a greater appreciation for the things around me was by serving others. So to me, if I could sum up my Hwa Chong experience, it would be eye-opening.
If I could choose one word to describe my Hwa Chong experience, I would use the word magical.
Fulfilling.
I would say that the experience so far has been really fruitful because I've been exposed to so many opportunities to develop myself holistically and not just learn how to plan events in terms of council, but also I've been able to represent the school a few times in the track and field competition. So I think that All these experiences so far have really groomed me as a person, and I would say that I've learned so much from it so far.
Thinking back on the times here in Hwa Chong, I think that there wasn't any time that I felt was wasted.
What will stay with me most was the lessons that I learned from the mistakes that I made, because
We make mistakes definitely, but caring teachers will always be there to guide you and make you learn from your mistakes.
you
Won't
Regret.
it